Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today this video is about beginners in banking preparation, guys. It means those who are freshers at banking preparation and also SSC examinations and ESIC, MTS and UDC steno. So all these examinations, those who are beginners at the preparation, this video will be very helpful to you guys. So please watch it till the end. So this is just basics of one of the topic in quant section, that is simple interest topic. So in this topic, in this video we will discuss how to solve from basics step by step all these questions I will discuss in this video, guys. So some of the candidates are requesting me, ma'am, try to make videos about beginners at their preparation level. It means just clearing the basic purpose. You will try to shoot a video about each and every topic in quants, like simple interest, compound interest, and also profit and loss, percentages, time speed, distances, so etc. So in my site I will try to upload all these topics in each and every video, guys. So in my convenient time I will try to upload one of the topic in each day. It means today I uploaded simple interest topic. From tomorrow or day after tomorrow I will upload compound interest, and next day I will upload time speed distance. So this is my videos about beginners. So many of the students are requested this videos, guys, that's why I showed it. So first our topic is simple interest in quant section. So this is quant section, simple interest topic. So SA means simple interest in quant section. Just I will cover basics of this simple interest. It means formula of this simple interest and remaining type of questions. So which questions they will ask in our examinations, all these questions at their basic levels I will try to cover in video, guys. So first in quant, this is simple interest topic. In simple interest, first of all we know the formula of simple interest. So compared to compound interest, simple interest is very easy, guys. So compound interest is also easy, but way of solving number of candidates is very different. So in my view, in my way, how I am solving simple interest and compound interest topics, I will share in this video, guys. So first one was simple interest. We have two types of interest. The first one is simple interest and second one was compound interest. So these are the most important topics and important questions asked in both mains and preliminary examination levels in our banking and insurance examinations. So first, today we will discuss simple interest topic. So in simple interest there is one formula, that is we will find the simple interest this is the problem PTR by 100. So this is the problem of simple interest. So this is very important for solving this type of problems. So simple interest formula is PTR by 100. So here each of the every letter I will recall, guys. So first this is simple interest, and here P is the principal. It means how much of the amounts we will give to the certain person, or we will borrow to some person or at some bank, so whatever it may be. So P is the principal and T is the time period. It means how many months or how many years we will give in this principal, so time period. And R is the rate of interest, so how much percent we will give to the person, so rate of interest. So these are the three most important letters. So P is the principal, T is the time period, and R is the rate of interest. So by using this formula we will find out the simple interest. So in some questions they will ask principal, they given simple interest, time period, rate of interest, and in some question they ask time period, and in some questions they will also ask rate of interest. So you have to concentrate on this formula. We will solve each and every question in this type of simple interest. So focus on this formula, guys. So this is PTR by 100. So this is maximum problems are based on this formula. And next, second one was they given how many times they will double, triple, and most 4 times, 5 times in one of the questions in both preliminary level and also mains level. For that purpose we revise the one formula, that is this is one and this is second formula, because so they given PTR, it means time period, rate of interest. So the question was, the given principal was n times more than that. So for that we will find the time period or rate of interest. So whatever they will ask we will find out. For that purpose we will use this formula, PTR is equal to 100 into n minus 1. For suppose there are 3 times the formula, it means, and they also T is given, for example 3 years, you will find the rate of interest. So T is also negligible, and 100 4 times. So this is 4 times, it means 4 minus 1 is equal to 100. We will find the rate of interest, so that equal to 3 into R equal to 100 into 3. Next, so rate of interest is 100%. So this is the one of the formula to find out the 4 times, 5 times, and also doubles, triples. What we will see in the sentence and we will see in the questions also, guys. So this is second most important formula. So now we will solve some of the problems based on simple interest. So I recollected these problems in one of the website, guys. I don't reveal that website. So there are many websites are there. So just you have to practice each and every question in simple interest, compound interest, and each of the topic you have to improve in both preliminary and mains level examinations, guys. So practice is the key for our examination. So any of the examination, not like banking, any of the insurance, SSC, banking, so practice is the key point of each and every person. So practice will make man's perfect. So this is absolutely true, guys. So let's start our questions. So first, so this is simple interest based problem. The given question was, what will be the ratio of simple interest earned by certain amount at the rate of interest for 6 years and 9 years. They given 2 simple interest years, it means 6 and 9, and the same rate of interest in both the cases. So the answer of this question was, so the given amount is same, so P, and T is, first one is 6 years and rate of interest is same, so this is one of the simple interest. And second one was P is same and 9 years, so rate of interest is same in both the cases. So So all are cancelled. 6 is to 9. It means 2 is to 3 is the answer. So C is the answer, guys. So this is first question answer. And next we go to the second question. So this was the second question. A man took a loan from a bank at the rate of 12% simple interest. After 3 years, he had to pay 5,400 interest only for the period. The principal amount borrowed by him was. It means second question answer. A man took the loan from the bank at a rate of 12%. Here, for understanding purpose, I will try each and every letter. It means rate of interest is 12%, it is given, and also time period is 3 years, and also simple interest is 5,400. So these are the given. We will find the principal amount. So we already know P simple interest equal to PTR by 100. So here simple interest is given. It means 5,400 equal to P into 3 into 12 by 100. So 1800. So these are 2, these are 3. So 15. So P is equal to 15K. So C is the answer. So this is the finding of principal using the simple interest, time period, and also rate of interest. And next we will go to the next question. So next question we will go to the guide. This is third question. That was, so this is the question. A certain amount ends simple interest of Rs 1750 after 7 years. Had the interest been 2% more, how much more interest will it have? And only the given simple interest and years for the first case. So they are not providing rate of interest in first case, but after that they had mentioned had the interest been 2% more. It means, for suppose R is the interest, R plus 2% is next interest. For that case, how much of the interest would it have? And it means, so this is third question. So P is not given. So P is 1750, guys. So principal 1750 and after 7 years, so R is not known. So we will find the simple interest. So this is the simple interest, means 7R into 175 by 10, because R is not known. So this is not possible for finding the second case. So that's why the answer was can be determined. So D is the option. Okay. So these are the 3 questions. So based on simple interest in quant section. So these are the just basic level questions. So because how to solve principal interest, time period, and rate of interest. So for that purpose I will upload this video, guys. So this is only for beginners, not for already preparing students. So this video about only for beginners. So don't forget, if you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe my channel. In my next video I will upload compound interest based on basic level questions. So tomorrow or day after tomorrow onwards. So thank you, guys.